Hello everyone. Today is our topic is about intelligence and IQ. So firstly we will discuss about what is intelligent. Intelligence word is important aspect of a personality, and this is the ability to see the meaningful relationship between things. So intelligence is the shows the meaningful relationship between things. So intelligence, according to psychologists, it depends upon the factors like hereditary, and the second one is the environmental factors. These are responsible for the intelligence. And what is mental age? Firstly, the test was taken up by Binet and Simon in 1896, and that is called the mental age. The test was by Binet. This is question is asked in the examination, and Simon in 1896. This test was based on the present age of the child, and the intelligence should be present at that age. This was dependent on this both the points, like the present age, what is the present age of the child, and the intelligence level of the child. So now I will tell you that how to calculate the IQ. They have divided the various levels for for the calculation, and that is called the IQ, which is the formula for which is equal to mental age at that particular time over the chronological age into 100. So sometimes the question has asked that the child age is about 15 years, that is chronological age, and the mental age is about of 9-year-old. So the intelligent quotient of that person is equal to 60%, and that is falls under the moron, or you can say the sometimes the mentally retarded word is used for that. So below this I have given the levels of intelligence, and the IQ range should be present. If the person is idiot, the his IQ level falls in between 0 to 24%, then he is called idiot one. If he is belongs to the category 25 to 49, he is called imbecile. 50 to 69%, he is moron. 70 to 79 is borderline. 80 to 89% is low than the normal. 90 to 109 is normal, and 110 to 119 is superior. 120 to 139% is very superior, and 140 plus percentage is the near genius. So like the question idiot, imbecile, and moron, their percentage is asked in the various MCQs. So for the to remove the problems of the child, special education is given in this case, and the few multiple choice questions I would like to discuss over here is which is asked about in the examination, that when the mental health program was started. The mental health program was started in India in 1982, and major psychosis is what like the option are neurosis, dementia, or the reactive depression, that is the and endogenous depression. So the major psychosis over here is nowadays prevalent is the endogenous depression. The most commonly abused drug causing addiction among Indians is the cannabis. Which one of the following is an environmental factor associated with the mental illness? Environmental factors are the emotional stress, frustration, and the broken home. The incidence of mental illness is the maximum if the causal factors affect a particular period is the first 5 years of the life. These are the important periods. And if, as I have already told you, if IQ is 20 to 34%, हाँ जी बेटा एक मिनट रुको, 20 to 34%, the person is called imbecile or the severely mentally retarded. If IQ is 51%, so you can see that is called the moron, or the moron is also called mild retardation. This is the imbecile is severe mental retardation, and moron is the mild retardation. So these are the questions about the IQ and the mental health is asked. Thank you so much.